What's up, guys? Jackson from Urban Philly Angling here. I kind of forgot to record an intro in this video, so I'm just gonna do a quick voiceover now. This is from earlier in this fall. I fished a small stream for some native brook trout. It was an awesome day. I got probably like 15-20 fish. I don't remember the exact number, but yeah, it was super awesome. Hope you guys enjoy and stay posted for more videos.
There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful little brookie. First one of the day or evening. Get her off. Hate barbed hooks. Off she goes. Awesome. These fish are so aggressive in these small streams. It's awesome. There we go. Oh, that's not a trout. Oh, it was a little fall fish. There we go. That's a trout. Cool colors on this one. Ooh. Swallowed the hook. We're gonna have to unhook her in the water. There we go. Should be fine. Just give her a little minute. There's no real blood on her, so oh, gorgeous. She's about ready to go. Yeah, she'll be fine. Awesome. Number 2. Guys and girls, we got a first here. Somehow I broke a panther martin. The hook is just kind of gone. I snagged it in a tree and I pulled it out. And we don't have a hook anymore, so time for a different panther martin to come on or something. Damn. I need to find a bait shop because I am running low. With that's a slightly smaller panther martin, gold, which will be great for this setting sun. Hopefully it'll get the reflection real well of the remaining little light. It's a good size, but that was really, really weird. There we go. Oh, it's so tiny. I wish these guys were easy to keep in a fish tank. But they are not. But they sure as hell are beautiful. Oh. Gorgeous, gorgeous native fish. Yeah, off he goes. There we go. Oh. Come on, buddy. Oh, that's beautiful. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous fish. Hooked perfectly. Very nice, easy release. Off he goes. As I've really, learned and was originally surprised by, is these trout can be really freaking fast, especially when they're chasing something shiny like a spinner. You'll see them, you know, dart all the way out from this, like, you know, undercover into the middle of the stream to get your spinner. It's one amazing sight to see. It's awesome. These natives are so scrappy. They don't necessarily fight the best, but they're amazing fish. Oh. I don't know if that's a trout, but oh man, what is this? That's a trout. That thing fought so hard. It's on wet dirt, he's fine. Oh my god, that thing fought. That thing is a chonker. Definitely a picture-worthy fish. Oh my gosh. That thing fought so hard. That's a gorgeous fish. Slammed that. Let's do an underwater release shot of him. GoPro style. Oh, that was the phone. Off he goes. There we go. You can't beat these fish. Choked it. Let's get him. Awesome. So as we're making our way upstream, the type of stream we're working with is starting to change a little bit. It's going, you know, from that slow, meandery, windy stream to a little bit faster, a little bit shallower so far, but right in front of me, that undercut bank looks money. So we're gonna keep working our way up there, and hopefully we're gonna get some more fish. It is 6:20. Probably got half hour, 40 minutes of daylight left. Let's use all of it and get some fish. Nothing better than wading a small stream and getting fish like we have on right now. Yep. Oh man. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That would be a perfect fish tank fish. If I can keep my water under 60. But that's gonna be a little hard. Come on. Trying to do the one-handed release. Oh, I just lost a nice one. Wasn't filming. Probably 10, 11 inches. There we go again. Little guy again. Surprised we're not getting any fall fish. He's pretty. He's got like a little bit of purple and pink on it. That's gorgeous. Love these fish. That a fish? Yes, it is. It's a decent one. Tried to dog me in the current. And then remembered he was like 6 inches. Nonetheless. Amazing. This one's got some great colors on her. Once again, choked it, but this fish should be good to go. Back into the wilderness. Stretch right in front of me. Looks like it is holding a giant brook trout. We're gonna see. See if it is. Well, it's not a giant, but It's not a bad one either. It's a little stud. That's gorgeous. Fat and chunky and gorgeous. That was like the first cast in this little section, so maybe it'll be good. All right, y'all, we're gonna kind of film our outro now on my phone. GoPro kind of died. And I don't feel like getting a new battery for a 1-minute clip. However, today was pretty damn successful given the amount of time we have or had to fish. We had, you know, around an hour and a half. It's 7 o'clock. We got here at like 5:30, so we got 15 fish. Definitely a solid day, solid outing. One was decent size, probably 9 or 10 inches probably, so real fun. Beautiful, beautiful fish. And as you guys can see in front of us, that's where we're going to be exploring next time we fish this creek. I'm not sure when that's going to be, but for sure I will be back, especially given that it is starting to get colder and colder outside. These brookies are going to start feeding and feeding more and more, especially in, you know, the ponds and lakes. So over the next couple weeks, expect some lake videos. Hopefully we're going to soon start getting on some lakers and salmon, but that's going to be a grind. I got to get a new little setup for that, a little bit bigger than this, extra foot longer, a little bit heavier. Be launching those spoons and spinners out into the drop-offs. So I will keep you guys updated, show you the next video hopefully pretty soon. Thank you for watching. Peace out, y'all.